What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And as the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Galaxy A35 series of smartphone is launching in India on 11th of March, which is upcoming, and not only that, we also have the pricing of this phone as well. Now before getting this video, if you're new here, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that I've done that, let's get started. So first of all, in this video, let's talk about the Galaxy A55 specifications, what you can expect from this phone. Now in terms of design, the Galaxy A55 will be looking more similar towards the Galaxy A54, which was launched last year, and we have also done a review of that smartphone, so you can also check out as well. The display of the phone is going to be 6.6 inch of a Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with the HDR discontent support and 120Hz of high refresh rate in this phone. The bezels will be spread evenly all across the four borders of this phone, and it will be coming with up to 2.75 GHz of Exynos 1480 processor. Now some of you, it might be a bummer, but the Exynos processor is indeed the line which is Samsung going with the Galaxy A series of smartphone. The base storage of this phone is going to be of 6 plus 128GB, whereas it will go up to 8 plus 256GB of internal storage. You can also expand the storage of the phone by a 1TB of RAM storage via micro SD card. Android 14 will be running out of the box with Samsung UI 1 out of the box. Now, it is also said that this phone might also get up to 6 years of major OS upgrades and 7 years of security patch, which is still yet to be seen in the Samsung launch event. Apart from that, if we talk about the phone's camera setup, then the triple camera setup will be present in the phone with a 50 megapixel of a primary sensor with OIS support, and a 12 megapixel of an ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel of a macro sensor as well. Now, the selfie camera is going to be 32 megapixel and an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. The phone is expected to be weighing around at 1213 grams, with as the back of this phone is going to be of glass and a metal frame as well. Now, the USB Type-C stereo speaker setup with the support of Dolby Atmos and water and dust resistance of IP67 is going to be present in this phone, and a 5000 mAh battery with a 25 watt of fast charging will be present. Now the charger will be sold separately in the Samsung's phones, as we all know, but the time which you all were waiting for is about the phone's pricing. So talking about the price, then the phone is expected to be launched at a price of 480 euros, and which converts the price in India to be around 43,190 rupees for 8 plus 256GB. Now the base variant for the 6 plus 128GB is set to be at a price of 39,999 in India. Now we'll also get some of the card offers or the pre-booking offers or the early bird offers with this smartphone, and the pricing of the Samsung Galaxy A55 will go up to at around 50,000 rupees for the highest maxed out version. Now what do you think about this video? If you like it, then share it and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. Thanks a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.